If you're planning your next marketing event and need to stretch your budget without compromising on impact, promotional branded bags might just be your secret weapon. These affordable, high-visibility tools are more than just giveaways. They're mobile billboards for your brand. Let's talk numbers. Studies consistently show that promotional products like custom printed bags have one of the lowest cost per impression rates in marketing. That means for every dollar you spend, you're getting your logo carried into offices, gyms, grocery stores, and more, long after the event ends. So, how do you choose promotional branded bags that are both budget-friendly and effective? First, focus on materials. Non-woven polypropylene bags, for example, are cost-effective, lightweight, and ideal for one-off events or conferences. They're also easy to print on, making your custom branding pop. Next, consider size and function. Smaller bags are cheaper to produce and perfect for distributing brochures, samples, or small giveaways. But don't underestimate the value of a compact tote. If it's useful, people will keep it. Now here's a pro tip. Plan bulk orders in advance. Larger quantities significantly reduce the per-unit cost of custom printed bags. Partnering with a reliable supplier that offers scalable solutions allows you to get better pricing without sacrificing quality. Another tactic is to co-brand. Teaming up with another company targeting the same audience can halve your costs while doubling your reach. Think of it as a collaborative marketing giveaway that benefits both brands. When it comes to design, keep it simple but powerful. Your logo, a bold color, and a clear message go a long way. Skip the clutter. Your goal is instant recognition. Use contrasting colors to make the print stand out, especially if you're working with a tight budget and can't afford specialty finishes. Don't forget to tie the bag into your campaign messaging. For example, if your event theme is sustainability, choose eco-friendly materials even on a budget. Recycled PET or cotton blends can still be affordable when sourced strategically, and they align your brand with environmental values. Distribution strategy matters too. Don't just hand out bags at the door. Use them as part of an experience. Maybe attendees collect stamps at different booths and redeem a fully stamped card for a branded bag. This not only adds value to the giveaway, but also drives engagement throughout your event. And if you're exhibiting at a trade show, bags are a game changer. Attendees collect tons of materials and swag, and a well-designed, high-utility branded bag puts your logo in everyone's hands and in every selfie. Finally, always track performance. Include a QR code or URL on the bag that leads to a landing page. That way, you can measure engagement and get a sense of ROI, even from a low-cost campaign. Promotional branded bags don't need to break the bank to make a lasting impression. With smart design choices, strategic planning, and creative distribution, you can turn a simple giveaway into a powerful brand asset.